We're being asked to calculate the volume of the following object. The length of the cube is 5 meters. And they're giving us a hint here that the length of the cube is 5 meters. We know that the length of the cube is 5 meters because we have these marks stating that they are all equal sides. So we know every side to this cube is 5 meters, as well as the height. The cylinder on top is 7 meters in height and 5 meters in diameter. So what we first need to do is recognize that we have two separate objects here. Although they've been put together and the volume of them will all be one, we do actually have two separate objects. We have our cylinder and our cube here. So first we need to find the volume of the cylinder, then we'll find the volume of the cube, and then add them together to find the total volume of the object. Well, the volume of the cylinder, we are given the height and the diameter. To find the volume though, we need the radius, which will be half of the diameter. So if the diameter is 5 meters, then our radius will be 2.5 meters. And a height of 7. What we require is the volume. So the formula for all prisms is volume equals base area times height. So our base area will equal pi r squared, and we'll multiply that by our height. If we make our substitutions, we have 2.5 squared multiplied by 7. 2.5 squared is equal to 6.25, so pi multiplied by 6.25 multiplied by 7 is equal to 137.4 cubic meters. So we know the volume of the cylinder is 137.4 cubic meters. Now we need to find out what the volume of this cube is. Well, we're given the length of 5 meters, width of 5 meters, and a height of 5 meters. What we require is volume. The formula will be base area multiplied by height, and in this instance, since it's a cube, all we need to do to find the base area is take length times width, so 5 meters multiplied by 5 multiplied by the height. So if we make our substitutions, we have 5 times 5 times 5. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25, multiplied by 5 again is 125 cubic meters. Therefore, the volume of the cube is 125 cubic meters. So now we know that we have 137.4 cubic meters for the volume of the cylinder, 125 cubic meters for the volume of the cube, and when we add the two of them we get 262.4 cubic meters. Therefore, the volume of the object is 262.4 cubic meters.